Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Today, I'm continuing talking about this sales funnel system that I'm using to promote Easy One-Up and the Power Lead system, which is a marketing system where you can create unlimited number of lead capture pages, landing pages. You can create a blog or full-on website. It's a really great system, and if you become an affiliate with Power Lead system, you can earn residual commissions. Okay, so basically, I have other videos on my channel talking about Easy One-Up and the type of products that they have. All of the products deal with is business educational products, and the higher the higher product level that you purchase, the more advanced training that you get. Okay, so it starts from the lowest level, $25, all the way up to $2,000. Okay, so you can come in at whichever level is best for you. Okay, you don't have to go into debt or break the bank in order to join. Come in at the highest level you can so you can earn 100% instant commissions, and I'll leave a link below this video in the description area where I go more into detail about that. I just made that video yesterday, so I'll leave a link to that so you'll get more information about it. But I just started using this sales funnel system yesterday. I set it up on Saturday, and then I drove traffic to it with a solo ad that I purchased yesterday. Okay, so let me show you the results I got. It was a 100-click solo ad that I bought for $67, and it was a new solo ad vendor that I was testing out. I never used him before, and he started driving traffic yesterday, and it finished up early this morning. I got a total of 110 clicks, and I received, as you can see here in my Gmail here, Priceless Possibilities is the name of the email that you get from the Power Lead system, the marketing system that I just referenced before. This, anytime someone opts in into your email list through the Power Lead system, you'll get an email from Priceless Possibilities letting you know a prospect just filled out the opt-in form. Okay, so I have these in a special folder labeled Priceless Possibilities so I can keep track of all of them. So as you can see here, all of these emails I received since yesterday, and I have a total of 53 opt-ins from that 110 click solo ad. So that's around a 48% opt-in rate, which is really good. Okay, and I know it says 54 up here, but it's really just 53 opt-ins, and let me show you why. Let me scroll up. Right here, this one that's highlighted, this one says, Michelle, a new gold member has arrived. Now what that means is that someone joined the Power Lead system and then upgraded to become a gold member, which means that's a $20 commission to me. Okay, you receive $20 commissions anytime someone gets the Power Lead system and upgrades to a gold member status. All right, and that $20 commission is a residual commission. You'll receive that every single month that that person stays as a gold member in Power Lead system. So as long as they stay a gold member in Power Lead system, you'll continue to receive $20 residual monthly commissions from them. Okay, so if you get 3 people signed up at gold member status, that means that your Power Lead system is paid for, because it's $30 for the Power Lead system, $30 a month, and then it's, I think, $23.97 for in order to become an affiliate, which is the gold member. Okay, gold member status. Now, so that's a total of a little less than $54 a month. So if you get 3 people to sign up as a gold member in Power Lead system, your Power Lead system is paid for, and you're no longer coming out of pocket paying it yourself. Okay, the payments will be coming from your commissions instead. So that's a good thing about the Power Lead system. Now, and so this was a pretty good traffic run. I already got a gold member already, and I just joined Power Lead System on Saturday. So I already have a gold member, okay? And if this person stays a gold member for the next 4 months, then that pays for the cost of this solo ad. That makes me profitable in this particular solo ad run, because I paid $67 for the solo ad, and if this person stays a gold member for the next 4 months, that's $80 I get. I'm in profit on that solo ad run, okay? And that doesn't even take into account all of these other people who are on my email list, okay? My autoresponder will continue to follow up with that list several times a week, and I will also be sending out emails too, because Power Lead System has weekly hangouts where people can learn more about Power Lead System and how it works, and they also have a free live hangout training that's done every Thursday night. So I'm going to be sending out emails early on Wednesday morning and on Thursday morning to let people know that they can attend these hangouts for free and watch them live that particular night. So I'm going to be doing follow-up with all of these people, and hopefully some more of these people will decide to join Power Lead System and upgrade to gold member status. Alright, so I just want to let you see the results I got just from this one solo ad run. Of course, my results are not typical. Your results will vary. You could get more commissions, you could make less commissions, or you could make no commissions, okay? I'm just telling you what my personal experience is with just getting into the Power Lead System on Saturday. Alright, so all of that came through this particular sales funnel system. So I have to do my part, which is to follow up with my leads on my email list, okay? But, you know, the good thing about this YBR Fast Cash sales funnel system, and YBR stands for Yellow Brick Road, and it's also the name of our team's Facebook group, Yellow Brick Road. And this sales funnel system was created by a man named Mark Crosby. He has been making sales funnel systems for quite some time now, and he loves making these sales funnel systems. And he's an easy one-up, so he created this sales funnel system to promote the business opportunity, which is easy one-up, and also the marketing system that we use for the sales funnel system, Power Lead System. And if you want to use this same exact sales funnel system, then you need to join the Power Lead System so you can get the share code to this exact same funnel, okay? So this is what I'm using to promote both of these programs, okay? Step 1, people click on that, and then they go to my sign up page. You see my picture there, my name and everything. They just fill out the information. They watch this video first, then fill out the information to create their free account, and then they will they can go in and pick whichever product level they want to purchase. And there is an administration fee also that you need to pay that comes with the product level. It's not that much, okay? And then once you do that, you come back to this sales funnel system and you go to step 2. Now, if you don't want to use this sales funnel system to promote Easy One Up, you don't have to. That's why it says optional step 2. But if you want to use use this exact same sales funnel system, you just click on optional step 2, get this system, and then you go to the next page, which talks about the Power Lead System. Okay, with this you can set up your own done-for-you system with capture pages, sales videos, and email series to automate your income with Easy One Up. Even if you're already in Easy One Up, you can still use this sales funnel system. All you have to do is get into the Power Lead System, upgrade to the gold member status, and then so you can be eligible to receive affiliate commissions, because you might as well, okay? I mean, it's a very lucrative plan, and here's the PLS comp plan. You just click on that button and it'll take you right to the comp plan, and how it works is very simple and quite lucrative. And then there's a proof video from someone who's in both of these, also both Easy One Up and the Power Lead System. He's been making money with both for the past couple of years. Okay, but if you're already in Easy 1UP, you can still use the same exact sales funnel system by getting into Power Lead System, and then you'll get the share code for it. And when you scroll down, there's a funnel setup video. It's step by step showing you how to set up this exact sales funnel system. I went through it. It's very, very straightforward and simple to do. Okay, and then there's another video that tells you how to get support, how to get traffic, and how to get additional training. Alright, and then of course there's the link to our Facebook group, Yellow Brick Road. And then if you need to contact me, if you have any questions, there's a link to get in touch with me on Facebook. Friend me on Facebook and then send me a message if you have any questions. Okay, and then there's a traffic source down here where you can get 95% tier 1 traffic sent to your lead capture page from sendthehumans.com. Okay, and tier 1 just means that those are English speaking countries, okay, because they're the ones that got the money. Alright, so that's pretty much all I wanted to go over regarding this. Oh, one more thing. When you click here for the Power Lead System, you click here, you get a 7-day free trial of it. So you get access to everything in Power Lead System for 7 days for free, and then after that is $30 per month for the Power Lead System, and if you want to be an affiliate, it's an extra $23 and I think 97 cents for a total of just under $54 a month. And I highly advise you to become an affiliate because you can make some really good income from the Power Lead System. Okay, just click this button to go to the comp plan to find out how the comp plan works. Alright, very simple. Alright, so if you're ready to get started in Easy 1UP and the Power Lead System and start using this exact same sales funnel system that I'm using, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area. Okay, again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.